have to see it. I mean, they don't have to hear it. They just have to be able to see it. Alright, all you Math 1 students, this is the review for the test this week, Chapter 2. Obviously, we're going to start off with adding and subtracting polynomials. I'm going to go through these questions. Then you can pause it, do the problem, and then I'm revealing the answer. I may have to scroll it back so that you can see the answer. But you should be able to go through these 30 problems and review for the test. These are very similar to what you're going to see on the test. Okay? Here's problem number 2. Pause it. I suggest pausing it because I'm going to have to reveal the answer pretty quickly on these. Alright, so there's the answer in number 2. Coming back, here's number 3. Let's see if I can make it a little bigger. Number 3. Here's the answer to number 3. 8x to the 4th plus 5x cubed plus 4. Here's number 4. Copy down number 4. Each one of these has 3 different polynomials. Some you're adding, some you're subtracting. Make sure that you go back and remember that with subtraction you have to distribute it there, there, and there. Alright, here's the answer to number 4. That off. Here's number 5. Now we're moving into multiplication. You have a binomial times a binomial. What method do you have to use? Full method. Let me make it a little bigger. There you go. Alright, here's the answer. Same thing, binomial times binomial. Full method. Pause. Alright, here's the answer. Now we're at binomial times trinomial. You're going to take 7x and distribute it all 3 things, and then negative 3 to all 3 things. Okay? Here's the answer. 14x cubed plus 29x squared minus 36x plus 9. Same thing, binomial times trinomial. I give you about 2 of each type. Answer. Alright. Now we're moving into factoring. Make sure rule number 1 of factoring is GCF. I've got m squared minus 8m. I can take an m out. There's your answer. Here's the next one. Now we're factoring a trinomial. What are the factors of 5 that have something to do with negative 6? There is no GCF. Here's the answer. GCF. There's the answer. Make sure you take the 2 out and leave it out there. Okay, don't get rid of the 2 and just say 3n minus 2n minus 4. Make sure the 2's out there. Same thing. Factor. Here's your answer. Alright, moving on. GCF, GCF, GCF. Always make sure you're pulling out your GCF. Pause. There's your answer. Order doesn't matter now. You could say 9n plus 1 here and n plus 5 here and you'd still be okay. Still factoring. Here's your answer. Alright, now we're factoring 4 terms. We learned this last week. When you got 4 terms, your method of factoring is factoring by grouping. So we'll run through these pretty quickly. Pause. Here's your answer. Okay, good. Next. Pause. Here's your answer. Next. If it doesn't work the first time you try it, you may have to rearrange your answers. Pause. Here's your answer. Another one. Pause. Here's your answer. We're doing good. 19. Factoring by grouping. There's quite a few of these because we spent a lot of time this past week talking about those. Here's your answer. Same thing. Pause. Here's your answer. Order doesn't matter. I could swap these two around and still be okay. Now we're solving by factoring. First step is set it equal to 0 and then factor. Here's your answers. Next. Pause. Here's your answer. Next. Pause. Here's your answer. Next. Pause. Here's your answer. Alright. Now we're moving into graphing quadratics. First thing is find your vertex. Then decide up or down, standard, narrow, or wide. There's the answer there. Going down because A is negative. It's also a little narrower. Please don't pack up. Please don't pack up. Doing good. Here's the next one. Pause. Here's the answer. Here's the next one. Vertex is at 2, 1, it looks like. Next. Pause. Here's your answer. Vertex at 2, 3. Next one, vertex is at, well, pause. Your vertex is at 2, negative 2. It's going down and it's narrow because A is negative 2. Pause. Here's your vertex at negative 4, positive 3. Negative 4, positive 3. It's going down because A is negative. Alright, then I put some of these. I'm going to do these at 4 at a time. These are just order of operations. Just some basic 8th grade math stuff. Pause all 4 of these. Pause all 4. Write them down. Solve them. Alright, here's your answer. Use your calculator. Alright, and then, well, let's see. That started with 31, with 34. Alright, so then here's 35, 2 up, 35, and 36. 35 and 36, you have to plug in negative 8 for x and negative 6 for z, 2 for q, and 4 for r. Pause, solve those. Here's your answer. Negative 69 and positive 2. Okay? There will be word problems on the test. There will be fractional word problems. You need to make sure you look at your fraction word problem worksheet and go from there. Okay? Study for the test and good luck. Can you hit the red button? Turn it off?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.